If CAT exam is stressing you out, then congratulations. You're preparing for a future which is bigger than your fear. And if you haven't heard this yet, let me tell you that you are doing better than you think. Hi, I am Meghna, an MBA graduate from the Indian Institute of Management, #IIM. Currently a social entrepreneur, but going back in time, I was exactly where you are. A young aspirant sitting with my books, 1,000 doubts, and a dream that felt a bit too big for me. If you are someone scrolling on social media or watching YouTube videos about CAT exam during your study breaks, then trust me, you are at the right place. This video is exactly what you're looking for, or rather I would say it is something that you require and you need to hear at this point of time. Confused mock scores, unstable confidence, too much stress. If you are feeling all that, then trust me, you're not alone. Let me tell you something that I wish I understood when I was preparing. CAT does not choose the perfect student. It chooses the prepared one. And preparation isn't just about studying all the syllabus or solving some 100 mock exams. It's about the ability to stay calm for 2 hours and believing in yourself. CAT is not a test of how much you know. It's a test of how well you use what you know in a stressful situation when your hands are cold, when your heart is racing, and the timer just doesn't stop. The gap between you and your target percentile is neither intelligence nor coaching. It's about your mindset on the exam day. It's about how well you train your brain to handle the exam. As we are just a few days away from the exam, I'm sure all of you have been working very hard in terms of the syllabus of the 3 sections and in terms of your revisions and mock exams and etc. etc. So now let me tell you about the 3 things that actually matter at this point of time. Do not overload, consolidate. This is not the time to learn new topics or chase exotic shortcuts. Reflect on your preparation so far and revise what you already know. Train your exam day strategy, not just your knowledge. During the exam, your focus should be on maintaining accuracy over mindless attempts. Make sure you don't carry one section stress into the next. Most importantly, keep your ego aside and clarity in. Remember that timing each section wisely and not getting distracted is the key. Your strategy will carry more than any other formula will. Protect your mental space. In these last few days, your mindset is more important than your study material. Stop comparing your mock scores with others. Stop obsessing about what if and don't drown yourself in last minute panic. Sleep well, eat healthy, and stay in control of your thoughts. Finally, all I want to say is that it's not time to work on becoming smarter. It's about becoming steadier. Walk into the examination hall with confidence. Trust your preparation, trust your instincts, and remember, CAT rewards clarity, discipline, and presence of mind. You've already done the hard work. Now it's time to finish strong. All the very best.